Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Typing on your iPhone should feel quick, smooth, and effortless, but for many users it often becomes frustrating, slow, and full of annoying mistakes. The good news is that your iPhone already includes powerful hidden typing features that can dramatically improve your speed and accuracy. Once you learn these simple tricks, texting, emailing, or taking notes becomes faster than ever. First, one of the biggest time savers is using quick path typing, also known as swipe typing. Instead of tapping each letter individually, you can simply slide your finger across the keyboard from letter to form words. Your iPhone intelligently predicts what you're trying to say, allowing you to type entire sentences much faster with just one continuous motion. Another essential tip is enabling text replacement. This feature allows you to create shortcuts for phrases you type frequently. For example, typing all can automatically expand into on my way. Over time, this saves hundreds of taps every single day, especially if you send repetitive messages. Many people also don't realize that holding down the space bar turns your keyboard into a trackpad. This makes moving the cursor incredibly precise, allowing you to fix mistakes without painfully tapping the screen multiple times. It's one of the easiest ways to edit text like a pro. Autocorrection can either help or annoy you depending on how it's set up. Taking a moment to customize keyboard settings like predictive text and auto capitalization can significantly reduce typing errors and interruptions while writing. Voice dictation is another powerful feature most users underestimate. By tapping the microphone icon, you can speak naturally and let your iPhone convert speech into text instantly. For long messages or notes, this can be 3 to 4 times faster than manual typing. You can also type numbers and symbols faster by holding and sliding from the 123 key instead of switching keyboards repeatedly. This small gesture alone makes typing passwords, emails, and links much smoother. For one-handed use, enable the one-handed keyboard mode. It shifts the keyboard closer to your thumb, making typing easier when you're walking, commuting, or multitasking. Another hidden trick is double tapping the spacebar to instantly add a period and start a new sentence. It keeps your typing flow natural without reaching for punctuation keys. If you often make spelling mistakes, resetting your keyboard dictionary can refresh your typing predictions and eliminate strange autocorrect errors built up over time. So, keeping your keyboard updated and experimenting with different layouts or third-party keyboards can help you discover what feels fastest for your personal typing style. Once you start using these iPhone typing tricks, you'll notice an immediate difference. Messages become quicker, edits become easier, and typing stops feeling like a chore. Your iPhone is designed to work smarter. You just need to unlock the features already built into it. That's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.